the rape accused Seer is being picked up by the police for questioning. India Today impact story, the Seer has now been picked up by the Karnataka Police for questioning. Questions were being asked. Why is it 6 days after a rape accusation was made and against, in the case of minors, why was the Seer not picked up for questioning? The Karnataka Police had so far issued a lookout notice against the Lingayat Seer, Shivamurthy, accused in an alleged sexual assault case that involved minors. The notice, of course, so far was, as of now, in this case, only to ensure that he should not abscond and law enforcement agencies are able to reach him, that he does not leave the country. The lookout notice against the Seer had been issued to all immigration checkpoints, but now we are told that he's been picked up for questioning. There had been an arrest in this case earlier of the warden of the hostel. Legal experts had pointed out several lacunae in the investigations, and breaking news coming in, he's now formally been arrested. So far we were being told that he had just been picked up for questioning, he'd been detained, but relentless campaign carried out by India Today first, and we are now being told that the Seer has been formally arrested. A team of lawyers who were looking into this case very closely, they had sought a court-monitored investigation because their apprehension was, given that elections are approaching in Karnataka, given the Lingayat community and the impact, perhaps there were apprehensions that the police will not investigate this case in the right earnest. Now, the Seer is the chief pontiff at a very prominent Lingayat Mutt in Karnataka's Chitradurga. There were several protests. Okay, I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Nagarjun Dwarkanath for more on the story. So Nagarjun, bring us the latest. Has he been picked up for questioning? Has he formally been arrested? And what next now?
Gaurav, what we are picking up from our sources is that the Swamiji was picked up just few moments back, and it has been officially shown as arrest by the Chitradurga Police. This happened after 6 to 7 days of consultation process. Remember, today we saw protests happening across Karnataka, in Ballari, in Chitradurga, in Mysore, where progressive groups had protested in front of DC office and SP office, demanding the arrest of the Seer. In late night development, what we have picked up from police department is that the questioning was done of the warden today, and the decision from the police department was taken to arrest the Seer formally. So we can confirm that the Swamiji or the Seer of Murugha Mutt, who is Shivamurthy Sharanaru, has been officially arrested. He will be produced before the magistrate right away, and then the medical checkup will be done, and he's already applied for anticipatory bail. But unfortunately for him, the anticipatory bail has been postponed to tomorrow. The hearing will happen tomorrow. But under Pocso Act, he has been booked and the arrest has been done formally by the police now.
What is the explanation being offered by the police? Why did it take them 6 days, especially in such a serious case where a Pocso Act has also been invoked?
Well, the police are only saying that they have been investigating on the lines of collecting the statement first and doing the evidence and collecting evidences. After the children gave the statement in front of the judge under section 164, only then they are swung into action. Till then, the first 4 days was only about moving the FIR from Mysore to Chitradurga district and putting in the accused names. The first 4 days to 5 days was just wasted by the police in terms of looking into the evidences and taking statements, recording statements of the minor girls. Thus, because of the pressure of such lackluster investigation, today they have acted, and finally the Seer has been booked and he's been arrested.
The case was registered under the Seer Shivamurthy Murugha Sharanaru by the Mysuru police. After a complaint was filed by the two minors, he has been booked under sections of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act or Pocso Act. The statement of the two minors has been taken under 164 CRPC by a magistrate. So Nagarjun, that's acceptable evidence in a court of law. Do we have details of the statement?
Point of time, no access to the statement. In fact, that was given to in a sealed cover from the magistrate to the police to be it a part of the charge sheet. While filing charge sheet, that statement will also be put in. So the media has no access, and only the top police officials of the Chitradurga district and also the Karnataka Police have access to it. No
Nagarjun, stay with me for a moment. I also want to bring in Sagai Raj, who joins us live from Chitradurga. Sagai Raj, were the police able to move in, carry out the process of arrest? Bring us the latest. What next now?
So what we get to learn through our police sources is that he was being picked up around 7:44, but they had kept him inside Mutt due to security reasons, and thereafter now the police have announced that he was being arrested. There is no detention. It is a direct arrest of Shivamurthy Sharanaru, the main pontiff of Muruga Swami Mutt, as well as A1 in Pocso case. And what we also get to learn is he's been brought to one of the hospitals, the government hospitals here, for a routine medical checkup. We are reaching here and will be entering inside to find out whether he was being brought here or to some other place. As of now, what we get to learn through our police sources is that he's been picked up and he's been taken to government hospital for a routine medical checkup.